My Kids Corporation presents 5 Ways AI Can Help You Get a Job. Here are 5 ways AI can be a powerful tool in your job search. 1. Craft compelling applications. AI resume and cover letter builders. These tools analyze your skills and experience to tailor your resume and cover letter to specific job descriptions. They can help with keyword optimization for applicant tracking systems, ATS, used by many companies, increasing your chances of getting noticed. AI interview simulators. Practice your interview skills with AI that simulates real-world scenarios and provides feedback on your responses. This can help you refine your answers and build confidence before the actual interview. 2. Find hidden job gems. AI job matching platforms. These platforms use AI to analyze your background and recommend relevant job openings you might have missed. They go beyond simple keyword matching and consider your skills and career goals for a more targeted search. 3. Sharpen your skills and knowledge. AI-powered learning platforms. These platforms offer personalized learning paths based on your desired career path. They can recommend courses, provide feedback on your progress, and help you stay up to date on the latest skills needed in your field. 4. Network like a pro. AI networking tools. Some AI tools can help you identify relevant industry professionals to connect with based on your career goals. They might suggest people in your field you can connect with on LinkedIn or other platforms. 5. Negotiate your salary with confidence. AI salary negotiation tools. These tools analyze salary data based on your experience, location, and desired role. This can help you determine a fair salary range and provide talking points when negotiating your offer. Remember, while AI can be a great asset, it shouldn't replace your own effort. Proofread your AI-generated documents, personalize your approach to each application, and actively engage with the job search process. We hope these tips and your perseverance help land the job. Good luck, my friend. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe.